Oh, hello, welcome to this video. I'm super excited to have you watch this video. Okay, this is the first video in the 3-day video series that we're gonna be doing, where I'm gonna be showing you how to make at least $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 or more per month just by packaging short ebooks without you writing a single word, and you selling them without you talking to anyone. That's what I'm gonna be showing you all throughout this training. So please pay close attention and watch this video to the end, and also make sure that you also watch the subsequent ones. That's the two other ones that I'm gonna be sharing with you. Okay, so I'm actually doing this video training just to help people, because I've discovered that so many persons do not know the massive opportunity of making money that is hidden in short ebooks. Short ebooks, yes. As easy as it may sound, trust me, people are killing it. I've shown a whole lot of students this and they are smiling to the bank. I mean, this method I'm going to be revealing to you all for free in this video. I've shared it with so many of my students, okay, and today they are thanking me for it. So if you don't know me, if this is your first time coming in contact, I'm Franklin Samuel. I'm an integrated digital marketer. I help businesses leverage the internet to make massive sales, and also help unemployed graduates and underpaid employees to leverage the internet to setting up profitable businesses that pays them and helps them live out their dreams. So that's basically what I do, and that is the reason why you are seeing me today do this video training. So what I ask you is just pick up a pen and paper and follow me closely. I mean, jot down some things so that you can be able to implement. Please implement what I'm going to be showing you. It works. It works. But if you're not going to implement, I'm very sorry. I will advise you to please stop watching so you don't waste your data. Why I'm sharing this information, so that I can help it, can use it to change people's life. So that's why I'm sharing the video. So without wasting any much of your time, let's get right into it. So what are we going to be looking at? Like I said, this is going to be a 3-part video training. This is the first one. In this first one, we're going to be looking at one part of the training, which is we're going to be showing you how you can package short, hot selling ebooks without you writing a single word. We're going to be going it step by step, what you need to know to start packaging short, hot, in-demand selling ebooks that you can sell and make a good amount of money. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be showing you right now. So now, what's the first step? Let me highlight this and show you what the first step is. The first step is you want to discover a pressing problem that people who can pay dollars have. Remember, we are talking about how to make like $1,000 or $2,000 or more. That's what we are talking about. So you don't want to target people who cannot pay for the product. Remember, why you are not already making this money we are talking about is because maybe you don't have a product, or you don't know how it is done. That is why you are not already killing it. So for you to actually get people giving you their money, you want to exchange a value for value. And for you to bring value to table, the easiest way is to bring as an informations packaged in short in format of ebooks, and exchange it for the money that you are looking for. And for you to do that, you want to discover a problem that a particular segment of persons has, so you can help them solve that problem so that they can give you the money legitimately. It's a legal business. So that's the first step. You want to discover a pressing problem that's not just ordinary people, but people who are foreigners, a problem that they have. And it's very simple to uncover this problem I'm talking about. You can simply go on the internet, search for, discover what they are searching for. Okay, discover a problem that they are searching for a solution to, and you're going to help them to get the next step, which is what I'm going to be showing you right now. So after discovering the pressing problem, remember I did not say problem, I say pressing problem. Now, what differentiates a problem and a pressing problem is that a problem, somebody can actually just procrastinate on it, but a pressing problem, they want to fix it immediately. That is one of the difference between the two, and that's the one that will give you an edge. That's the one that will give you a killing on this very business. So you want to discover a pressing problem, that does not allow people to sleep. That's the kind of problems that you want to look out for. And like I said, you can actually get that by going on the internet and making some few searches. Okay, so after discovering a problem that people who can pay dollars have, the next thing you want to do is to, let me highlight this and then show you. Okay, the next step is you want to find a solution to that problem that you discovered in step 1. You want to find a solution to that problem. So when we're talking about finding solution, we're not talking about you going to build a manufacturing company to start producing maybe physical products to help them solve a problem. That is one way to do that. But we are talking about getting solutions that do not cost you anything. Okay, because maybe just your time, that's what it's gonna cost you. So just a solution that's very easy to find, that's what you're gonna be doing. So that's a step 2. Now the step 3, after finding a solution to that problem, let me show you what the step 3 is. The step 3, you want to repackage that solution. That's the solution you find. I did not say create, remember I said find a solution. The problem you discovered in step 1, you want to find a solution to it, and then you repackage the solution that you've already found. Now how do you do this step 2 and step 3? It's very simple. Remember, we're talking about short ebooks here. We're talking about short ebooks that can help people solve the problem. We're talking about information. Remember, like almost every human being wants to live forever. If you package maybe a short ebook, okay, and then it shows people how to live forever or how to prolong their life, do you think they will not buy it? They will buy it. So why I'm making that analogy is this: people will always pay for a solution that will really give them what they want. They will pay for information that will really give them the solution they are looking for. So if you're able to find a solution to a particular problem, you just repackage it. So now how do you do that? How do you get finding that solution? We are talking about ebooks here. So what we want to do is just to go to this website I'm going to be showing you right now. The website link is idplr.com. okay, go to that website. Now let me type that to you for you to hear. Go to idplr.com, idplr.com. okay, that's the web link that you want to visit. So if you go on that website now, what it's going to help you to do is that it's going to help you to uncover or find already made ebooks. Remember, we're not writing, you're just finding a solution. So when you come on this website, you're going to have access to products, ebooks. But the thing is, they have a paid membership site. Okay, you're gonna be ready, but you can start with free. They have the premium offer option too, where you get paying, but the free account will give you just access to your free of their products. So when you register for free, you're gonna have access to download the ebooks that you want to repackage. This is where you get the ebooks that you want to repackage and turn it to a income generating asset for yourself. So now let's say you have actually registered. I don't want to go through that process now because I don't want this video to be too long. So once you register, the next thing you want to do is you want to come under the products here. If you bring your cursor on the products, you can see, let me show you, you can see they have ebooks, they have software, videos, templates, graphics, music. Now if you come under ebooks, which is what we are interested in, you look out for the one that has resale rights or master resale rights. Okay, now let's click on this one. For instance, let me show you. You select the one that has resale right. That means you can resell it. This is a book created by another person and they giving you access to resell. You get it now. So when you actually open that, you're gonna scroll down, you're gonna see so many books. You see, these are all books available on this website. These are all books, ebooks recreated by other persons, and they are giving it for you for free. Okay, so now let me scroll up and show you something. You can see categories here too. You can see categories. That's business and making money, marketing and promotion, weight loss, so many categories here. Now if I go on that psychology and self-help, for instance, now let me open it and show you. Let me open that category now and show you books under that one that you can actually download. When you download it, all you want to do is to repackage it, just edit something. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. So now if you come under psychology and self-help, now you see so many things here. You have panic attacks, memory, mental health, anger management, time management. Let's go to anger management, for instance. Let me show you something. Okay, these are niches that you find books under that you can just get downloading and then repackage it and start selling. So just stay with me to the end of this video. That's what I'm going to be showing you will really help you. So now you see books that are under this anger management, and you will agree with me that this is a big problem that so many persons has, and they are ready to solve the problem. They are actively looking for solution. So if you bring these things to them, they are gonna buy it. Now see this one, or this one gets my interest. Let me see. Okay, now if you see this one here, managing modes, if you click on it now, it's gonna open, and then you can be able to download it. That's after signing up on the platform. You can be able to download it, and once you have downloaded it, the next thing you want to now do is to repackage it. I'm going to be showing you how to repackage. Okay, see now, download. If I click on this download now, because I did not sign up, it's not going to download. So but before you start clicking on download, you want to first of all sign up. So once you sign up and then you click on this download, you will be able to download the ebook. Once you download the ebook, the next thing you want to do now is to come here, repackage that ebook. Repackage, when I say repackage, you want to rephrase it. You don't want to sell it like that, just like it is now. You want to change this cover. Okay, you change it. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Stay with me. Then the inside of the ebook, after you've downloaded it, you want to also change it. How do you do that one? Now let me bring up a book I've downloaded in previously and show you how you can repackage a book. Now let me go to downloads. Let me find the book, one of the books I've downloaded in the past. Okay, this is this one. I think let me open this one. Open. Okay, see this one I have downloaded in the past. Now let me open it. As you can see, I've opened the ebook. Now this is the ebook. So for me to repackage it now, I want to change everything. Put your own name. This private label, you can relabel it. So you scroll down and then change some few things. I mean, make it unique. After you download the ebooks, you also want to download the articles that you can use to enrich the book. But first, let me show you how you can repackage the book. Now if you scroll down, you can see the main heading, the main contents of the book, what the person talked about. So now let's say you want to change this thing. Please do not sell them like that. If you take it like that, it's not gonna work for you. So you want to repackage the thing so that it looks unique. So now let's say you want to change this thing now. It's very simple. Simply highlight it and then copy the whole thing. But I'm not going to be copying the whole. I'm just going to copy some part of the book and then show you how you can change it. So the same model, that's how you can also use to repackage the whole book. So now you come here, click on copy, highlight it and copy, then go, let me minimize this. You come to a website called, let me show you. You come to a website called paraphrasingtool.com. Paraphrasingtool.com. Okay. You come to that site. It's gonna help you to change that and rewrite that book. Are you getting it now? Make it unique. It looks like your own. So it doesn't be like, okay, you just went and then start using it. No, if you just download those things like that and then you want to sell that way, it's not gonna work. You want to rephrase it, and that's what this website is gonna help you to do. So you can see now we are here right now. You're gonna paste the text that you copied. That's the book. You copy it and then come here and paste it. See, you paste it here, and then when you paste it here, next you want to scroll down and then click on paraphrase now. Click on it and then let's see what it brings out for you. Okay, so like I said, this website is going to help you to change the book, as in rewrite it, because if you don't rewrite it, it's going to be as in plagiarism, which is an offense. So you want to rechange that. So this paraphrasing tool is one of what is going to help you to do that. So once you paraphrase it, let me see if it works. If you paste the text here now and then click on paraphrase, it's going to paraphrase the text and then put in the results here for you. So let's see. Why is it taking long? Okay, now if you click on paraphrase now, it's going to bring up this thing, prove that you aren't a bot. that you are not a robot. So what you want to do is simply you want you to take this icon to this icon. So how you do that is simply click on this red circle here, and then drag it to the side, to the right side. As you are dragging it, you are seeing the icon is moving. It's moving. Then you bring it there and then release the. Oh, it did not work. Now you have to redo it again. Let me do that again. Okay, I have to do that again. If the thing did not match, it will not give you access. So you want to prove that you are really a human being. So let's redo that again and see if it works this time. No, now you click on the right circle and then move it to the right. Move it, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it. Okay, I think it's fine now. Good, I've gotten it now. So it will now give you access to the website. It will now rephrase the content that you pasted and then give you the end result. Okay, so that's what you want to do. You want to take the whole ebook, and then you rephrase it, and then get some free PLR article. That's free articles too, and then add it to the book to make it richer. Add some more information to make it richer and make it unique. Then after doing that, the next thing you want to do is you want to take the e-cover. The e-cover is this one here. That's the e-cover. You change it. Okay, if you want, you can actually find a graphic designer that will redesign this thing for you, or you can go to another website I'm going to be showing you and change the cover. So once you change the cover and it's looking the way you want, you can now convert that book to PDF. Okay, once you convert it to PDF, you can now start selling. Okay, but let me quickly show you what this paraphrasing tool have done for us. So that's how you repackage a solution that you already find. With this method, you are creating book without you writing anything. So you see, it has rephrased the thing for us. You see, this is what we have now. Now see see what we pasted. Tired of hiding your muffin top under layers of clothing? You are not alone. About 1/3 of American adults are overweight. Now let's see how it has rephrased that sentence. It says, burnout on concealing your overhang under layers of dress. You are in good company. Around 33% of Americans. You see, that's how you rephrase the whole thing now. Now you cannot be faulted for plagiarism. So what you want to do now is simply click to copy to clipboard, and then you have copied it. So once you copy it, you now go to your Microsoft Word document or whatever document app that you have and paste it there, and then do some editing, and boom. After you finish doing your editing, the next thing you want to do is you now want to save it as PDF. That Word document you have changed, that's the ebook that you have repackaged, you now save it as PDF. When you save it as PDF, you upload it to maybe a Google Drive or any file sharing site. Okay, then you now work on the e-cover. Remember I said this is the e-cover. So if you want, you can hire a graphic designer to change the e-cover for you, or you can go to this website, that's canva.com. If you go to canva.com, Canva is going to help you to design graphic that is looking fine. You design an e-cover. Okay, so once you design it on Canva, you go to another website and convert it to 3D. As you can see here, the e-cover that is used here has this 3D dimension. So that's what you also want to use. So after designing the graphic, the front graphic like this, you want to now convert it to 3D. Okay, so that's how you do that. So now let me show you how to use Canva to design your e-cover. Canva is not opening. Why? Okay, let me quickly show you how to do this. Let me show you. So when you come on Canva, this is what you're gonna see. Okay, you are seeing some designs now, because I've designed some things on Canva. So when you come on Canva, if you don't have an account, you sign up for a free account with them, and then you can be able to design your 3D, that's your graphic there, the book cover. You design something that looks similar to this, and then change maybe some title, and then the subtitle to change it, tweak some things, and then make it look unique. Then let me show you simply how to design this graphic. Is simple. It doesn't break, it doesn't take minutes. You can design such thing. It's just drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop. Then you drag elements to the clipboard, and then you have your graphic ready. So once you have your graphic ready, you go to another website and then upload it there. It's gonna convert that graphic that you have created into a 3D dimension. You see, for instance, now this is the graphics I've designed already. Let me do something now. Let me change this, let me edit this, so you see how it is very easy to do. So you see, this is a graphic I've designed now. You can actually, like I said, you must not do everything yourself. You can actually outsource maybe the graphic design to a graphic designer. They will just design something that looks fine for you, and then you will be okay. So after designing this thing now, just download it. Okay, you download it, and then after downloading, the next thing you want to now do, you want to go to this website. Let me show you another website that you want to go. Go to DIYbookcovers.com, DIYbookcovers.com /3D mockups, DIYbookcovers.com/3D mockups. That is where you want to go, so that you can use that graphic and convert it to a 3D dimension. So once you are done with converting it to a 3D dimension, your book is ready to be start selling. Okay, so let me show you quickly. Oops. Let me delete this. DIYbookcovers.com, that's where you want to go to, and then you will be able to select the graphic that you have designed on Canva. Like I told you, design something like this, or as in with the title. Now with the title, that's if you design something like this on Canva, you now take it to the website where you are gonna be using it for, as in converting it to 3D. Okay, good. Now see the DIY book covers. You want to come to book design and select if you come here, you select 3D mockups. Okay, select 3D mockups. So it's gonna bring up the mockups that are available on this site, so you can now use it to design your own graphic. But that's after you've downloaded the image. Now see how to download the image after designing the image on Canva. You come to download and download it as a PNG file. So once you come here, you can see this is the DIY book cover mockups. So if you scroll down, you can see so many designs. You see, if you want your book to be like this, if you want it to be like this, you can select any one you want. You see, these are 3D book covers. Now I want to use this one. Let me scroll up. I think this one is fine. Use this one. Then after selecting, you want to scroll up. You scroll up here and then click on next, and then it's going to ask you for the image that you want to convert to 3D. Click on browse, and then go to your computer or wherever you have the image. Remember, I said you design that image on Canva. So once you get the image, you come here and select it. Let me get the image. I think it's maybe something. Okay, it's somewhere around there. Let me find it. Okay, that's the image. Now I select it and then click on open and click on upload. It's not gonna upload that image now. It's uploading, as you can see. It's uploading the image. So once it upload the image, fine, it has uploaded the image now. See, so the next thing you want to now do is to go here and click on next. It's gonna convert it to 3D. So you see, it has done the conversion. Now you click on PNG or JPG. PNG is the one I prefer. So it's gonna download. Now let me open it and show you. Let me open it and show you how it looks like. This is the image here. It's downloading. It's downloading. Okay, fine. Now let's go to my folder. Okay, let me even open it from here. Fine. You see how it's looking now? See the side, that side now helped us to give it a 3D dimension like this. So fine, that means at this point now our book is ready. Okay, after editing it and then repackaging it, the book will be ready. So the next thing we want to talk about is how to sell. But before we talk about how to sell, now let's say you actually went on this website I showed you, and then you found a solution and then you repackaged it. The next thing you want to do is the last step here, which is the step 4, which is rinsing and repeating. You want to rinse and repeat. You want to find another book also and do the exact same thing. Paraphrase it, you download it, paraphrase it, and then repackage the e-cover, and then you can be able to sell. Make it, enrich it more, and then make it unique, and then you can be able to sell. That is how you can package books without you writing a single word. There are other methods too, which I'll be revealing to you too. So now, how much is possible for you to make doing this? Now let's say you price that book that you created. Let's say you price it for maybe $9, okay, and then you are selling it. If you $9 times let's say you make like let's say 100 pieces, you just sell let's say 20 pieces in a month. 20 times $9, 20 times $9 is equal to what? Let me open my calculator and let's do some calculation quickly before I end this video. Oh, where's my calculator? Okay, let me do some calculation here and show you what is possible. Now 20 times 9 equal to 180. That's $180. That's what you can make if you just sell 20 pieces of that product. Now convert this $180 back to let's say $4.50 per dollar. Okay, equal to 81,000. That's what one book can give you. That is if it just sells 20 pieces. But what if it sells more than that? What if you have like 5 pieces of it, or like 10 of that selling for you? Now let's say 81,000 times 10. Let's see what that gives us. Times 10 equal to, you see, it's 110,000. That's how you package ebooks. They are short ebooks that can become asset, income generating assets for you. If you have it like 5 of like that, or like 10 like that, and then you are pushing sales for them, you are gonna be making crazy money on the internet. You get? So that is how you do that. Very simple. Now in the next video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can now start selling. We have been able to create a book following this method, this hack. Then how do you now sell? That's what you are gonna be talking about in the next video. How you can sell and be able to generate such massive sales so that you can make crazy money. So don't miss it out. Don't miss watching the second video in this video series, and it's really gonna help you. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you how you can set up a sales system that will sell the book for you without you talking to anyone. So watch out for the next video tomorrow, and it's really gonna blow your mind. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you got value. Thanks so much.